How to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp and unlock them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily find your hidden locked chats on WhatsApp and how you can easily unlock them as well. First off, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application and then head over to your chat section. Usually you'll find the log chat option right here on top. If you don't see it, just swipe down and it will come right up above archived. Now just tap on log chats and provide your secret code or fingerprint. You could just go ahead and enter that. I'll just go to log chats and provide my fingerprint for now. And then it will reveal all of the chats that are locked here. You could also manage their settings by tapping on the three dots at the top right and then go to chat lock settings. And if you want to hide the locked chats, go ahead and tap on this and then use your secret code. Just tap on it to change it. Now go ahead and confirm your secret code and tap on done. Now what you can also do is turn off your secret code. Tap on turn off to turn it off completely and then tap on continue. Now your secret code has been turned off. If you want to reset it, you could tap on it again and set up a new secret code. I'll just go back now. In order to unlock them, long press on these chats, tap on three dots, and then tap on unlock chats. Now again, provide your fingerprint, and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.